All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for Black Friday credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff. Well, today is Christmas, everybody. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Yesterday was Christmas Eve. I hope you had an awesome day yesterday. Awesome day today with your family. Awesome day coming up in the next week or so with New Year's. All kinds of good stuff. Today with cryptocurrency, we're going to be talking about crypto.com. That's right. All kinds of good stuff going on with crypto. This coin is up hugely, over 20-some% in the last 7 days. We're going to talk about that. This crypto.com is also renamed the Staples Center. We're going to go over that. Also, we're going to go over 5 reasons why cryptocurrency could be a great Christmas gift. That's going to be another good one, too. Article by Binance. You can actually get gift cards on Binance. We're going to talk about that. And we're going to be talking about crypto.com spending millions and millions of dollars on Super Bowl ads coming up in February. Crypto.com and FTX. All right, everybody. Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Have the best Christmas ever today. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency. Come on, be honest. Crypto.com in the Lakers Center, they're going to help people learn about cryptocurrency. When you're sitting there and you're watching a basketball game and LeBron James shoots it and you're in Crypto.com arena and you never ordered crypto, you're going to go, Crypto.com, oh, look at that. I could buy Shiba Inu. I could buy Bitcoin. I could buy Ethereum. It's going to be pretty awesome. Oh, and also football going on today. Yeah, Tom Brady's going to pump what he's getting into. Cryptocurrency. He's going to do a trade. All kinds of good stuff today on Christmas. All right, everybody, let's head over to crypto.com. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, take a look. Crypto.com, what's it surrounded by? Polygon, Shiba, Dogecoin. Crypto.com, number 15th cryptocurrency right now on CoinMarketCap. It is up 24% in 7 days. Yeah, 7 days ago when we were talking about it. Hope you're watching my videos, because take a look at that. That's a very good, nice returns, 24% in the last 7 days. It's down slightly in the last day, 3%. Clicking it. Again, coin's about 65 cents right now, 65.5 cents. What's it been doing the last 7 days? Yeah, last 7 days, here's your ATV. You're starting it up, you're gassing it up. You're like 48 cents. Okay, what are we going to do? Oh, let's rename the Staples Center to crypto.com. You think that will do anything to the price? Oh boy, it's up 24%, everybody. But I don't think it's going to stop there. I really don't. The Super Bowl commercials, yeah, let's jump over to that real quick. Yeah, crypto.com, FTX has shell out millions for Super Bowl ads. The cryptocurrency exchanges are capitalizing on popularity digital currency while also attempting to separate themselves from the pack. Cryptocurrency exchanges are officially aiming for mainstream, with Crypto.com and FTX both planning to run ads during the Super Bowl, the most watched annual television event of the year in the country. Now, what does it say? The Singapore company Crypto.com is active in getting the name out there. The company purchased the exclusive naming rights of the formerly known Staples Center for how much? $700 million. For how long? How long are we going to hear about cryptocurrency? 20 years. Do you think it's going anywhere? It's not. It's just going to keep going up and going up and going up. All right, how much do these Super Bowl commercials cost? Well, Super Bowl advertisement is the most expensive in the world. A 30-second commercial, $5.5 million. So that's a lot, everybody, $5.5 million. But there's actually some more stuff here that's even big, too. Earlier this year, FTX paid $135 million for a 19-year contract for the Miami Heat's arena in South Beach. So we know FTX, I mean, what they're getting into. Okay, so FTX has purchased the naming rights for 19 years, and Crypto.com has purchased the naming rights for 20 years. Let's see, do you think, no, crypto's not going anywhere. Also, in September, FTX secured the NFL star Tom Brady and his model wife to a star $20 million ad campaign. So yeah, they're spending $20 million before the Super Bowl to get the name out there. The competition within the crypto exchange market is also driving to increase the advertisement. With more than 500 crypto exchanges, everybody's jockeying for recognition and to move up. So real quick, Crypto.com, yeah, spending millions on Super Bowl ads. Well, while we're there, what's the first pictures of Crypto.com? First pictures of Crypto.com arena signage revealed. The Staples Center is almost fully converted to Crypto.com. In roughly 5 days, the Staples Center will be no more. The first sign of the Crypto.com arena are officially started to replace the old, notice that old Staples Center signage. Take a look. Crypto.com not going nowhere. One of the other things is their color is blue, and Staples Center's color was red. Let's see what that has to say. The iconic, gigantic Staples Center lettering in front of the arena has now been replaced with big blue Crypto.com banners. Not only that, but in the backstage tunnel area, all Staples Center logos are now gone. Oh, and take a look at LeBron James. He's sitting there with the Crypto.com arena. Yeah, he's going to be definitely excited when he's trying to win championships. Where does he play? In the Crypto.com land. Almost like the metaverse, but it's not. It's Crypto.com arena. Throughout the arena, little touches to move forward to the changes in the Staples Center. The aisles signage have been updated from red to blue. So everything is blue, everybody. It seems that the common theme for the new Crypto.com arena is the color blue. The iconic Staples Center was red. Well, it's going from red to blue. I mean, that's not that big of a deal. I just love the name Crypto.com. Today is the last official game the LA Clippers will play at the Staples Center. 10 years of my life under this name. Yeah, no more Staples and paper clips and things like that from the office, store. I love Staples. I use it all the time. But no more paper clips going on. Here out is Crypto.com. All right, give us your thoughts in the bottom. Super Bowl ads, Crypto.com, but purchasing 20-year naming rights to the Staples Center. No more Staples and paper clips. It's officially Crypto.com over there in Los Angeles. All kinds of good stuff. Well, we're going to come back over to Crypto.com, do a little price prediction. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. We're trying to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency. I got my friends Crypto.com helping, FTX, all kinds of good stuff. Over here at Crypto.com, future favors the brave.
History is filled with almosts. With those who almost adventured, who almost achieved, but ultimately, for them it proved to be too much. Then there are others, the ones who embrace the moment and commit. And in these moments of truth, these men and women, these mere mortals, just like you and me, as they peer over the edge, they calm their minds and steel their nerves with 4 simple words that have been whispered by the intrepid since the time of the Romans. Fortune favors the brave.
Crypto.com. 20 years. So over here at the website, Get Started, it's got its products, the apps, metal Visa cards, Crypto Earn, Crypto.com NFTs, Crypto.com Play and get paid in crypto. Yeah, everybody's starting to like that. Advanced trainings, you got your wallets, you can earn, you can swap, pay for business, all kinds of stuff with companies, about us, cryptocurrency in every wallet. I even like the logo too. Partners, reaching the next billion users within the world's best partners. All right, back over here at CoinMarketCap. Crypto.com is traded at 65 cents, 25% up. I mean, $1, my price prediction, it's going to get to $1 sometime in 2022. Too much going to happen. Too many advertisements for the Super Bowl. Too many fans sitting in the stands wearing blue. Too many, well, they're not going to be wearing blue because the Lakers are yellow. But the moral of the story is too much going on with Crypto.com. All our information is for educational purposes only. That's 35 cents on the 65 cents. I know it's up right this second. A lot of these articles, they're talking about what coin should I buy to hold for a year. You may want to get Crypto.com. It's going to have a 20 years lifespan on the name. So it may not be a coin that you want to flip within a day, or buy it and flip it in a day. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Crypto.com up 25%. Moving down to the top 10, Polygon's up 17% at number 14. Shiba Inu's up 17%. Dogecoin's up 9%. Luna's up crazy numbers, 38%, $100. XRP's up 12%. Remember, a week ago, everything was red. And I said, this is the time. Everything is 15 to 20%. Now you flip it a week or two later, and you see everything is 15 to 20% back. like the wave, going down. They talk about buying the dip. El Salvador does it all the time. And then when the dip, and it goes back. So Cardano, 15% up. Solana, 5% up. Binance Coin, 2.5% up. And Bitcoin, up over 9%, 50,000. All kinds of good stuff going on Christmas, crypto.com. I think I've been in the Staples Center before, a couple years ago, but I can't wait to fly back out to Los Angeles and basically go to crypto.com. It's going to be very exciting. Since I'm into crypto, Frank's Crypto Corner, I'm going to go to the different venues. I'm going to go down to the Miami Heat Stadium too. I'll definitely do a video while I'm there and stuff like that. Probably won't be for about 3 to 4 months or whatever. So, but all kinds of good stuff going on Christmas. Hey, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Click right here to see our most recent video. Everybody have a fantastic Christmas. Crypto.com, all kinds of good stuff. We'll see you tomorrow.